Hello everyone, thank you for joining my YouTube channel. My name is Kenny and I'm from Lagos, Nigeria. Whatever the role might be, these are simple tips that you can also replicate, which have helped me a lot, and I believe it's going to also help you. So I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to easily pivot into the tech industry. And number 1 is do not despise any opportunity. Sometimes opportunities come as disguised, and they might be small in the sense that the pay might be lesser than what you expect, or the role might be something lesser than what you're used to. It's not the perfect situation, but just focus on the bigger picture. For example, you might want to span out your plan to say 5 years or 10 years and try to estimate where you would be if you were able to pivot into tech at that point in time. I got the opportunity to transition into tech. It was through a Microsoft internship, Interns for Africa. That was in 2017. I had already gotten my master's, had previous experience in sales, and I just wanted to do something different. I love the idea of building and innovating and collaborating with people. So I wanted to become a product person. And when this opportunity came through Microsoft internship, it was paying lower than my expectations, but I grabbed it, seized it, and focus on where you want to be in the nearest future. Now, number 2 tip is that as you're working on yourself, make sure that you're learning and you're growing. So in that current internship or position that you don't really like, as you're working on it, make sure that you're learning, derive all the lessons from it, and make sure that you're growing. Shadow other product managers if you want to become a product person. If you want to be a sound software engineer, make sure that you're learning. You can utilize every available resources online and you will not regret it. If you want to become a designer, you can start creating your portfolio. Just make sure that you're sharpening your edges and you're not just occupying space and time. I was in sales and I was learning how to pitch product ideas to people. I was learning how to derive value from products and be able to sell it to customers, to clients. I was learning how to become more technical, learning the lingos of tech and all of that. So I was just learning along the way, and these things were preparing me for the future ahead. When the opportunity comes for that role that you've been eyeing for a while, make sure that you seize it. Don't think, oh, I'm not really ready, or can I do it? At this point in time, imposter syndrome might want to set in, but kick it out. Eventually, it has come. You want to now second guess yourself. You don't want to shoot yourself in the leg, right? Just go for it. Believe in yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back and be willing to take risks. For example, when I wanted to, manage my first product, it was a different ball game in the sense that I was just shadowing other people. Now I have to take a full product head-on, manage it, and be solely responsible for it. That was a big responsibility, but I took the risk, and ever since then I've been learning, growing, and even currently I am also engaged with platform products. The opportunity to grow is limitless. Just be willing to grow, work on yourself, and also be willing to take risks. So thank you very much for staying glued to this short clip. I hope you've been able to learn so many lessons from it. So thank you and have an amazing day.